Hi guys, I hope you are fine this day. I wanted us to engage a little bit. And this post today, this video is motivated by an article I saw on Business Daily. And the article was more on the government wants those who are working now to pay or to contribute more tax so that those who are working 30-40 years ago can be given, the government can be able to construct for them houses and the government can be able to take care of them. That concerns me. Our parents and grandparents, they were working for 30-40 years and these guys saved nothing. They invested nothing. And now us who are energetic and working now, we need to pay more taxes so that they can be taken care of. Well, this looks like a noble cause, but I want you to remember there is one proverb that says, like father, like son, like mother, like daughter. What does this mean? If our parents and grandparents didn't do much in terms of their gaining financial wisdom so that they can save cash and be able to live a comfortable life later on, chances are that us who are working now will not be able to save enough cash and live a comfortable life after that. But this is not what I want for you. This is not what I want for us. Our generation, I want us to be able to gain wisdom, to gain knowledge on how to multiply our money 10-fold, 100-fold, 1,000-fold. Is it possible? Yes. Are people doing it? Yes. Has it been done before? Yes. How? Through various ways. People make lots and lots of money, either they are doing business, or they are in the stock market, or they are in the real estate, or they are in other business ventures. But it is possible to make money and make a lot of it. Take for example, when Safaricom IPO came, the IPO, the one share of Safaricom was selling for 5 shillings. A few weeks later, the price went to as high as 8 shillings. A few months down the line, the price reduced to 2 shillings and 50 cents. If you bought 100,000 shares of Safaricom at 2 shillings and 30 cents, 2 shillings and 50 cents, as I speak to you today, one share of Safaricom is 30 shillings. The price has multiplied by more than 12 times. Over 10 times to be precise. So your 100,000 multiplied over 10 times will be a lot of money. Is that the only stock? No. Let's take American stocks for example. A stock like Amazon. In the year 2001, Amazon was selling at $1 and some cents, about $2. 20 years down the line, one stock of Amazon is selling for a staggering almost $3,500. Those who have invested their money have multiplied their money 170,000 times. That's a lot of money. What about in Kenya? Those who invested in stocks have been able to increase their money over time. And that is what I want for us. That even if you have 1,000 shillings, even if you have 10,000 shillings, even if you have 20,000 shillings, be able to increase your money and your savings and be able to grow your money over time. There is no need for us when our time to leave the workplace, when our energy is long gone, that we wait for government to give us 2,000 shillings like the government is doing currently to our parents and grandparents. 2,000 shillings is peanuts. Even though to our old men and old parents, 2,000 shillings is a lot of money. Is that what you want? When you are tired, in your old age, and you know as we age, our body system, our metabolic system, and our ability to fight diseases also reduces. So the healthcare cost increases significantly. What do you want? We want to be able to generate money over time and be able to support ourselves. What kind of future do you need? What kind of future are you envisioning? What kind of future do you see in the next 10, 20, 30 years? The word of God says in Habakkuk 2 that write your vision down. Whoever sees it may run away with it. If you are watching this video, I want you to comment down here. 5, 10, 20 years later, you will come and review what exactly did you write. Drop your comments. What's your vision? What do you see in the next 10, 20 years? I also have a request. If you have been to this channel and this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. Please share this video with your friends on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, on Snapchat, on all those social media forums. I want us to live a comfortable life, not a struggling life like the generations that have passed behind us. And if we don't do this, if we don't save consistently and invest consistently, things are bound to get very tough for us. The statistics by the Retirement Benefits Authority says this, that 90% of those who retire, those who reach age 60, are poor. 90%. Only 3% are rich. 7% are slightly comfortable, almost bordering the poverty line. The statistics are very harsh for us. So us as people who are earning, even if you are earning 1,000, 10,000, it doesn't matter. We need to save. The money you earn doesn't matter. We've seen the musicians who were once very famous. Once their career is gone, they were back to poverty. We've seen the politicians who were once very rich. Once they were voted out of office, they go back to poverty. Sports people, whatever you do, your career doesn't matter. What matters is financial wisdom, financial intelligence. That is the only thing that will save you. Last week I was reading a book, The Richest Man in Babylon, by George Clason. George Clason says that money is a good servant. He says put your money to work. Don't let money just rest in their bank account. I know savings is good, but can I tell you something that is better? What is better is investing, where you buy a stock of Safaricom at 3 shillings, and after some times, the stock rises to almost 30 shillings. Who knows? In some years to come, the stock will be 30, 40 bob, 50 bob. The more we keep using Safaricom products like M-Pesa, the more we keep using Safaricom data bundles. And by the way, Safaricom is into the data sector. They are distributing internet, and they want to distribute internet everywhere. Fiber optics, they are building cables, they are digging underground, laying fiber optic cables to various estates in Nairobi, and this will continue to affect the whole country. So I urge you, my friends, investing and growing your money is the only way to survive. Last week I was also talking of the power of compounding, where I was telling you that it's possible. If you save 1,000 shillings every month for 12 months, for a period of 5 years, and for every month you compound that money by 10%, it is possible that in 5 years, it's possible to get $1 million if you compound that money every month. But is it possible to get shares that rise 10% every month? Let's take a review. In the last 5 months, Britain has risen from about 6 shillings and 50 cents to about 9-10 shillings. That is more than 10%. Nation Media Group it has risen from 9 shillings to 19 shillings. That is more than 10%. Equity Bank. Equity Bank has risen from 28 shillings to a high today, as I'm speaking to you. Today is September 28th. Equity Bank is selling at 37 shillings. That is more than 30% in 30 days. What of Safaricom? Safaricom was 26 shillings and some 70 cents. As I'm speaking to you, Safaricom has risen to 30 shillings. More than 20%. Let me tell you this. On a daily basis, not daily basis, but yes, on a daily basis, stocks rise at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. On a monthly basis, it is possible to make more than 10% at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Of course, if you are lucky, like some stocks like, let's say, Nation Media Group, they have risen by 100%. Some stocks like Equity Bank, KCB Bank, they have risen by more than 20-30%. So my friend, it is possible on a monthly basis to be multiplying your money, to be increasing your money, and to generate income for yourself. And stocks do this all the time. Stocks go down, stocks go up. Stocks go down, they go up. Repeat. They go down, they go up. They go down, they go up. They move like waves. And it's only the giant waves that help you make a lot of money. This week, I've been reading a book, How the Rich People Think. And how do the rich people think? Steve Siebold, in his book, says that sometimes riches come in staggering amounts. Let me read for you a sample. Since the masses operate, this talks of the difference between the masses, the middle class and the world class, which are the wealthy. Middle class, the subtopic is middle class play it safe with money. World class takes calculated risks, and this is what we shall be doing at the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Since the masses operate from fear and scarcity-based consciousness, it is logical they would be extremely conservative with money. The rich get rich by employing money to attract more without additional effort. They factor in the risk involved in this strategy, knowing that while gains can be sudden and staggering, I repeat, the gains in the stock market can be sudden and staggering. They factor in the risk involved in this strategy, knowing that while the gains can be sudden and staggering, there will also be losses along the way. Listen to me. If you are not wise, if you don't have the knowledge in stock trading, you can lose. But the aim of this channel is to teach you to be able to trade the stock market and be able to make money. Over the last 5 years, I've been doing a lot of research and a lot of studies, doing my masters in computer science and gaining a lot of knowledge in the stock market. I've read close to 100 books on the stock market, and these books are here. We will be looking at them, we will be reading them, we will be testing them against the laboratory. And the laboratory in this case is Nairobi Securities Exchange. I welcome you to share with your friends this video. Share with your friends on WhatsApp, share with your friends on Facebook, share with your friends on Twitter, share with your friends on Snapchat and all these social media forums. Together, let's learn. I will teach you to be rich, even as I teach myself to be rich, so that we can have a comfortable life. Let us not repeat the mistakes of our parents. I beg of you. Let us not repeat the mistakes of our parents. Let us be keen with our finances and investments, and together, let us grow together and lead a comfortable life. God came to give us life and life in abundance. Not that we should struggle. No, we should live a comfortable life. Jesus came to give us life and life in abundance. And we are ready to live that life in abundance. Oriti, bye-bye.